The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold is finally here. We've heard and seen a lot about this device over the past 6 months, and Lenovo is announcing that you will finally be able to buy it sometime this year. It looks like a tablet like this, but when you fold it, the screen actually bends in the middle. It's a really cool idea that we've seen before from the likes of Samsung with the Galaxy Fold, but the big question is, will it work? There is a bit of blue tint when you fold the screen. When you're not using it as a foldable device, you can actually extend a kickstand, and that will let you essentially use it like a normal laptop. There's even a keyboard that comes with it, and you can type wirelessly, or if you'd like, you can actually place the keyboard onto the display. It will attach magnetically, and it will even charge when the ThinkPad X1 Fold is closed. There are lots of things that we still don't know about the ThinkPad X1 Fold. It is a ThinkPad, so it's got to be reliable. Lenovo is putting this device through all of their normal reliability testings that normally happen with ThinkPads. But a foldable screen is fragile. There's no way of getting around that. There's multiple layers to the screen to protect it. There's this nice silicone border around here that feels soft and actually looks good. But ultimately, this is the first product of its kind, and we just don't know how reliable it will be. The ThinkPad X1 Fold is for really early adopters. It's going to start at $2,500, which is a lot of money to pay for a product that we just don't know how well it will work. Still, if you are an early adopter, the ThinkPad X1 Fold is undeniably a cool piece of technology that one day could end up being the norm.